Hey traders, Akil Stokes here and want to give you guys a quick hit video this Tuesday afternoon. If this is your first time watching me, I'm a professional trader. I also do trading education with Trade Empowered and run a live day trading room. And well, I want to do this video not only to show you some of the action we had during today's intraday trading session, but also to address a question that I've been getting from a few friends and a few former clients that I keep in touch with. And the question was, they say, Akil, I've either done some time in your live room, maybe a 1 week trial, maybe I've been in there for a few months, but I have a full-time job. I work during the day, and well, long story short, I'm too busy to sit in your live trading room for 3 hours a day and listen to the training and look for trade ideas. Is there a way I can get more involved? And in the past, I used to be able to say, no, you're out of luck, unfortunately. But now, since we've developed this new syndicate desktop software, it actually gives you a way to stay updated with what Jason and I see on the lower time frames throughout the day. Now we're still doing higher time frame videos, 60-minute, 4-hour charts, and whatnot. But if you're looking to be involved in the intraday sessions, meaning stuff on the range bar charts, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, hourly charts, this is the perfect way to stay involved as we shoot. We shoot a handful of trade ideas your way every day. And I want to walk through today some of what we went through. Now, if I could scroll back down, when did today start? Here's what we started today. You can see the syndicate video I put up yesterday, but today we shot through a few ideas. There was the euro dollar bearish bat. Jason posted the same thing a little later. There was a pound dollar cipher, which ended up not getting completed. There was, I think the CAD Gartley was a mistake. There was a dollar CAD cipher. There was a dollar yen cipher. There was a pound CAD Gartley or bat pattern on the higher time frame. There was a bat pattern on the euro dollar range bar charts, and then there's a potential bat on Aussie dollar as well as a potential bat sitting on euro yen. And that's all that came through so far today, and it's about 2 o'clock Eastern time. And just to recap, we actually had a very, very good day. Now, the markets have kind of been in a holding pattern for the last week or so. And to the unexperienced trader, it would look like, man, there's nothing out there to trade. You know, the market's just channeling back and forth. I can't really get any good signals. But to the experienced trader, and to the ones that are lucky enough to have a group of uh, good technical analysts around them that can help identify different setups, there's actually a lot of opportunities out there on the lower time frames. And with the help of my live room members, and between myself and Jason, we were actually, as you can see, able to find some pretty good setups, which yielded some pretty good results. And let me walk you through those. First, we had the euro dollar that we talked about. You can see the bat pattern right here: X to A to B, B to C, C to D. We actually put in a good test, but never closed above X. So great job for having smart stops traders. And you can see we rolled down to hit target 1 and target 2 for a total of about 37 pips. Now, when I say a total of 37 pips, keep in mind, guys, if you're new, I base my contracts, or I base my units off a 2 contract position, meaning that I take half off at a target 1 and half off on a target 2. So when I say 37 pips total, that's the combination of that first position hitting target 1 and that second position hitting target 2. Now, if you're going to do your math like that, you got to make sure when you lose, time that pippage by 2 as well, and we'll see that a little later. But 37 pips total on euro dollar for me at least, and it all depends on where you got filled and where you got targets at and all that fun stuff. Next was Jason brought up a dollar CAD trade. You can see there's a nice cipher pattern right here: X to A to B, B to C, C to D. Nice and smooth. Again, testing our X leg but never getting under it, and exploding up for both target 1s and target 2s. Looking at around 25, 26 pips total on this trade. So another pretty good winner. And keep in mind, these are on the lower time frames. There was dollar yen, another cipher pattern: X to A to B, B to C, C to D. This one a little harder to identify, but again, a 2 target winner. Looking at about 50 pips total on this trade. What else was there? You can see Aussie dollar still waiting for a bat pattern in progress. We didn't get there yet. Euro yen still waiting for a bat pattern. We had, there we go. We had our range bar chart, and actually I didn't put this out to the syndicate, so I'm not going to count this for what the syndicate made today. But a range bar chart here in the live room, it was euro yen, another cipher pattern. You can see X to A to B, B to C, C to D, and once again rolling over for target 1 and target 2 winners on that. I think that was only about 20 something pips total. And then finally, the one loser we had today, because we do lose. There's there's don't try to lie and fool you and say we don't. We do have losers. And here's a loser on a euro dollar bat pattern: X to A to B, B to C, C to D, and this lost for about 18 pips. So again, looking at a 2 contract position, you want to take that 18 pips and times it by 2, so a total of 36 pips lost on that trade. And funny story about this one, I know some of my live room members, they know we talk about taking extended targets and advanced targets a lot, based off structure and some other factors. A lot of them actually took advanced targets on this euro dollar, not based off this bat pattern, but based off the bigger bat pattern that I mentioned earlier. So they lucked out, and they didn't get involved in this trade. So they capitalized on a few more targets getting lower, and well, they let me know about it. So other than that, oh, one more, the big one. Duh, forgot about it. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar. This was a trade that I actually did a video on last week. It was a Gartley pattern, looking at on a 4-hour chart, looking at X to A to B, B to C, C to D up here. You see we pushed up a little higher, and I did another video on Monday saying, hey guys, this is still a perfectly valid pattern. We pushed up a little bit. What that does is give us a better risk reward ratio, and you can see I have some lines in here drawn out. I actually did a little training lesson on how to properly trail and manage stops in a situation like this. But anyway, New Zealand dollar rolled over, hit my target 1. We didn't quite get to the 382 yet, which is target 1 for a lot of traders. But as mentioned in the video, I was looking more at this structure level, a retest of this B leg. So I took mines off right at the tip of here, about 79.63, and that yielded about a little over 100 pips. And you can see I'm still up about 92 with half my position left on. So between that and the trades I brought up earlier, we're looking at going about 4 for 5 today in the syndicate, for about 180 pips total roughly. And again, depending on where you entered and where you put your targets at, that's what I would be looking at. So just wanted to bring that up to you guys and answer that question. If you're looking for trade ideas during the day, especially some intraday ideas to go along with the higher time frame ones, check out the syndicate. It's a great asset. It's cheap as anything. It's less than $20 a month, and again, you're consistently getting trade ideas like this from 2 excellent traders. If I take a quick second to tap myself on the back. But between Jason and myself, we throw out a lot of ideas and a lot of quality trades that we're taking ourselves. So just want to share that with you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you later in the week, as always, with my live room weekend review. And remember, plan your trade, trade your plan. Good luck with the rest of your trading today. Take care.